In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can download and install Vinci Resolve on your Windows. For it, just go to your browser, any browser, then search for Vinci Resolve download and then press enter, and then it will show you this link, blackmagicdesign.com. Just click on the first link, and I'll also give this link in the description. So after coming to this link, you just need to go down, and here you can see Vinci Resolve, and we have two options, free download and the paid version. So we're going to download the free version. So right now we'll just click on this. Then we need to mention our Windows version. For my case, it is this one, Windows 86. So I'll just click on it, and then it will ask you a few questions. So you need to fill up those forms. So I'll give my name here, then last name, then I need to give a company name. Just give it a made up name, ABC company. Then you need to give your email address. So I'll give my email address, then my phone number. After that, you need to choose your country. So I'll choose my country, which is Bangladesh, this one. Then you need to give a street address. So let's say here Uttara, Dhaka, and city will be, let's say, Dhaka, and state will be Uttara. Okay, street address will be sector 10, and we need to give a zip code. It will be this one. And the product information, Vinci Resolve. And if you want, you can fill out those, but those are not necessary. So right now, just click on register and download, and then it will start downloading Vinci Resolve. There you can see it downloaded a zip file here. So it is around 2.3 GB. So it will take some time. So right now I will just fast forward the video. And there you can see the download is complete. So right now we'll go to the download location. And there you can see, so this is the zip file that we just downloaded. So right now we need to unzip this. So for it, we'll just right click, then we'll click here extract all, then we'll click on extract. So this will extract this zip folder. So this will take a few seconds, and there you can see the extract is complete. So right now here you can see this is the extracted folder, and if we just go inside, and here you can see Vinci Resolve. So if we just double click on it, it will extract the Vinci a few files. Then you need to click here, just keep it default, then click on install, and let it just download a few files by itself. Then click on next. Then you need to accept the terms and conditions. Click on next, and you can choose where you want to install Vinci Resolve. I'll just keep the default location. Then click on next, then click on install. It will take a few seconds, and there you can see the installation is complete. So right now we can just click on finish. So right now if we just go to the search option, then if we search for Vinci Resolve, there you can see it is showing us this Vinci Resolve app. If we now click on it, it will open the Vinci Resolve. Just click here, just give the language, then click on continue, then click on quick setup, continue, and let's say we'll choose the Ultra H3, or you can choose HD as well. And if you do not want to choose the resolution, you can choose this option. I'll choose my resolution later. Click on continue, and where you want to save your file. So this will by default save in the video folder. I'll keep it default. Click on continue. Just click on Vinci Resolve, then click on continue, then click on start. And there you can see it is opening Vinci Resolve. And this is how Vinci Resolve looks like. And if you want, you can just click on file, then you can import any file from your desktop and edit your video. So I hope right now you are able to download and install DaVinci Resolve. If you still have any question or if you want to give any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.